I just want to say this is a really cool song that I can think where it'll fit in about 8 movie soundtracks, but I'm not going to let you hear a lot of it. You're going to have to wait till it comes out or see one of their videos. That really cool song. Okay, here we are in the studio getting ready on Wednesday before another day of work. Some of the amps that we've been using and will be using. Actually, all of these we've used in the last couple days. Mark Beyer, Tweed Deluxe, one of Carl's Princeton's, the, excuse the camera wiggling, but the Dr. Z Carmen Gia, you'll hear on a lot of the lead tracks. Jim Kelly, one of Carl's 63 Vox AC30s, just some of the cases with some of the guitars and equipment. This case right here is nothing but guitars. And a few of the guitars that are unpacked that have been used. And Marshall 412 cab is actually what we used with the Dr. Z, Carmen Gia. The Tremolux we actually used for one thing with a Fender Vibratone. And I'll walk in the back. A couple of the acoustics that have been used. And this is some of the other stuff that we have on board here just in case it's needed. And Carl Verheyen tends to have a lot of different colors in his palette that he can choose from, both amp-wise and guitar-wise. So there's just kind of an overall view of, this is Studio One. People that have recorded in this studio are people like the Rolling Stones, the Doors, all the way back to the days of Buffalo Springfield. Maybe I'll try to get some of the pictures in the hallway of some of the folks that have been here.